tell us on a stage. Girl, you better can't cook. Think you know you pay your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book. Cook.
Hey chefs, and welcome back to Joe Cooks. For those who haven't been here before, welcome. And for those who have been here before, wagwan. Today, we'll be making some delicious, yummy curry goat. Alright chefs, let's get started. Alright chefs, so for your goat, you're going to place it in a bowl of water or a container of water and add in about a cup of vinegar. And then go ahead and add in your slices of lemon. And just let that sit for about 15 to 30 minutes. Now for your curry goat, you're going to want to burn your curry. You know your curry is burnt when you see the color going from yellow to about a orange brownish color, and you'll smell the aromas. Alright chefs, so now that your goat is clean, thoroughly clean, you're going to want to go ahead and add in your seasonings. Doesn't necessarily matter what order you put in as long as they all get in there. Now that your goat or your meat is nice and seasoned, go ahead and add in your vegetables. And just mix that all together, all nice and just mixed in. Get that all in there. Alright, so now grab yourself a pot and add some oil to it. Doesn't matter what oil you use. I use grapeseed oil for this goat. And go ahead and add in your seasoned goat and just stir that and fry that up until it is thoroughly cooked. So you're going to fry it up for about 15 to 20 minutes or until you see it getting brown. Alright chef, so now that it's halfway fried through, you're going to go ahead and add your thyme and your pimento berries. And just mix that all together until it gets fully brown. Alright chefs, now that your goat is cooked, you're going to add in about 1 to 2 cups of water and just let that cook down for about 3.5 to 4 hours. Alright chef, so now that your goat is about halfway to 3/4 way finished, you're gonna go ahead and add in your carrots and let that cook down for the remainder of the time. You can add spinners and potatoes to your curry goat as well at this time if you would like. Alright chef, so now that your goat is completely finished and your carrots have soaked in, this is the result of your curry goats. Nice and just tender and saucy and juicy and beautiful. Alright chefs, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao.
Damn, Joe, this food is good. Can I have some more?